125 for 3.
Hi, I am Dhoni, right-hand batsman.
And he can hit the ball a long way as well. He's been impressive as captain. But we've just seen a moment of brilliance and confidence from this man. Don't ever play marbles with him. As a kid, he must have taken them all home. Just hits everything. Said, is the wicket keeper there? No, doesn't matter. I'll back myself. Had he missed, Uthappa would have been home. Saying some very, very high quality cricket. Good call for no. 15 overs gone, 5 to play, 127 for 3.
Well, this so far has been a match of exceedingly high standard. The batting has been, some of it has been absolutely brilliant. Bowling hasn't been poor. The fielding has been terrific, great catching. It's had everything, and the great throw from Andrew Simons.
Dhoni down the ground, so strong.
Well, it's an unbelievable sight, this ground. There's not an empty seat in the stadium, and I wouldn't know how many flags. I tell you what, you better take up that job you talked about, Lloydie, selling Indian flags.
Flag selling, here's another boundary. You make a fortune. Mentioned strong shots, picking the spot, missing the fielders. Andy Simons going the distance here, none for 32.
I tell you what, the airfare might cost you a bit, but I'd sell them here if you're going to become a millionaire, mate.
Looking for two, deciding against. What a showpiece. Head to head, these two, from ball one. Brett Lee was first up. Australia controlling the game for the first 4 or 5 overs. Gambia was talking about 170. They should get way beyond that. Good start from Lee, gets his Yorker in. They're coming back for 2.
The strength of this man, that's a very good Yorker, and somehow or other he's managed to power the thing way down the end of the ground, bounced it back over the bowler's head. Must have unbelievably strong wrists.
Well, the fit, the strong, the equipment, the bats, unbelievable. 13-4, 7 sixes in the innings. Slow ball, he hasn't got it. Fortunate, it drops between 2 fielders. They're still not going to go for 2.
Yes, he was lucky he mishit that. Or mishit it as badly as he did. I guess if you hit it in the middle, it's going to go for 6. But if he hits it even slightly better, Matthew Hayden would have caught it. Big bottom hand player, Dhoni.
Leg side, fielder out there. Pretty good over so far from Brett Lee, this. Dhoni. And they're not going to die wondering here, India. Clark coming into the attack. Dhoni. Batsman cross, so Dhoni had the strike. Dhoni this time. Look at the power. Well, it's a big over for India, 161 for 4.
Well, the gamble paid off in getting rid of Yuvraj, but you've still got this man. He's got unbelievable power, and his is more strength. Yuvraj is a terrific timer as well. This man is just brute power.
And he's gone in the back, I'm not surprised. into the leg side, fielders converge, all the way, yes!
Well, he's a muscle man, MS Dhoni. That's a long part of the ground. I tell you what, he doesn't cheat himself when he has a swing. It's no wonder he's got a crook back.
Slow delivery again, leg side, it's another boundary. Dhoni, he's the man.
Well, the old theory is get them on the board in the big matches, in the knockout matches, and you're always hard to beat. India are certainly doing that. They're going to set Australia a real task here.
Punch down to long off, it'll just be a single. This promises to be a great game of 20-over cricket, really does. Anywhere will do, he gets away with this. Just! Back for two.
Well, India are playing in the personality of their captain. As Bumble just said, no fear cricket. That's the type of player that Dhoni is. And he's taken his team along with him. He seems to be really enjoying this captaincy.
They're loving it, absolutely loving it. Yeah, it's an Indian stronghold, is this Durban, and some. Pulled away. Should be a boundary. Fielder gets there, yes. Just a couple, but Dhoni on strike. Dhoni, 35 from 16 deliveries. Check this score, 183 for 4.
Adam Gilchrist, a lot of things to think about, and then he's got to turn around and open the batting, and he's going to have to get it going from ball number 1.
Oh, it promises to be a great game. Slower ball. Are they coming through? Trouble here. Nobody at the stumps. Big appeal. Sharma's run 2. Third umpire's going to come in here. I reckon he gets back. Sharma's run 2 here.
Well, I think Dhoni doing the wise thing. He's the man who's likely to hit 4s and 6s here at the end. The most likely person to hit 4s and 6s. Good piece of work there from Mitchell Johnson. He's a very good athlete. He's done well there. Actually, his momentum was taking him away from the stumps, and he's home.
Just about gets there, does he? Billy Doctorow, he's a third umpire, just gets in. Still waiting for this decision. Billy Doctorow will make this decision. What is it? What is it, Billy? What is it, Billy? Not out, let's get on. 183 for 4, 3 deliveries left. Single. Good bowling this from Johnson. Shying at the stumps, still shying at the stumps, Australia.
Well, that really was one occasion when it is a bit silly, because you don't want to get Dhoni back on strike. So just hang on to it, Mitchell Johnson. And Dhoni was running in the line of the stumps anyhow.
2 deliveries to go, 184 for 4. He's got to open the batting. Gilchrist will open the batting. Make no mistake, Australia will have a real go at this. They will have to. They've been worked hard, Australia, by India. Slow delivery, excellent bowling, run through to the keeper, Dhoni. I'm not sure he's there. I'm not sure that Dhoni's there. Dead eye from Gilchrist.
Dhoni desperate to get down there and face that last ball. Excellent work from Adam Gilchrist. Dhoni must have got a really good start there, but it's not enough. Mind you, that's not the best angle, but yeah, he's gone. So someone other than Dhoni will have to face the last ball.
He knew it. He knew he had to go, Dhoni. Desperate to get on strike. The big finger. He's on his way. MS Dhoni. Run out 36 from 18 deliveries, 184 for 5.